Hi, this is Luke for Production Experts, and these are the features and sound of Flatline 2 from Submission Audio. Now this is a one-stop level maximizer with 3 modes and loudness metering, and today I'm using it to add excitement as well as to maximize and measure the loudness of my mix. Now I'm going to play you the same thing, but this time level matched, just so that you can see how Flatline 2 is doing its thing without introducing any distortion. Flatline 2 has 3 modes. It has a limit mode, which is more of a utility mode, as well as a clip mode, which allows me to do more traditional red light style clipping, but in the safety of Flatline 2. But the hybrid mode gives me the best of everything with more control. This lets me clip just the transients, while steady state signals go through to the limiter for less distortion overall. If I start off at 0 dBFS and then gradually increase the gain reduction, I can use the color control to get different knee effects as well. So between the color control and also the envelope control, which helps me regulate what goes to the clipper and what goes to the limiter, I have a lot of control there. I've also set my ceiling to -3 at the output of Flatline 2, and that agrees perfectly with the output of my DAW. So those are the features and sound of Flatline 2 from Submission Audio. Fast level maximization without the red lights. To find out more and to read our full article, head over to the Production Experts blog.